can't say enough good about this little cart. I absolutely love it. Just make sure when you're inserting the top part onto the leg that the mounting part here is inward on both sides. It's an easy fix if you happen to get those switched, but just that way the the bin will slide in there. They come packaged with like the small turn down inside of the medium and then set into the large in there, and it's packaged so nicely with like packaging in between to protect these. Very nice casters, no tools, easy to pop together. Just the easiest thing I've ever put together from ordering any type of shelving or furniture. The casters are difficult to get pushed in. You have to make sure they're popped all the way in, flush like that. I did 3 of them by hand while it was on the table. The last one I figured out just to line it up and then kind of push on the top of the cart to from this bar part. I just would push in it. It popped in a little easier that way, but you do, it works. It is a little bit of an off-white. It's supposed to be just white, but it is more of a winter white or creamy white compared to the stark white in my kitchen. However, I'd be one of my best buys yet. It starts off with like a small compartment on top, medium, and then all like large at the bottom. And it has very great easy moving wheels, very easy to install, as you can see.
Recording. Okay.
Done. Okay, so this kid, he's only got